दोस्तों, आशुतोष तिवारी. In my last video I introduced the first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita as a conclusion. In this particular video I am going to introduce the motivational side, and before going into it you have to understand the first formula of the first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The first concept is very simple, that you have to start avoiding the negativity. As Arjuna was not able to avoid his fears, as he was not able to fight his own relatives, as he was not able to fight his own fears due to his own psychological fears. That is why we get a motivational concept from the first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, that we have to get ready for fighting against the negativity. Negativity is something that really demoralizes us to such an extent that we are not able to perform even the day-to-day routine works. And if you really want to understand the concept more deeply and more in depth, so you have to understand one concept very clearly. The concept that think yourself to be the Arjun, and in front of think that the Kauravas are the fears, they are the relatives, they are the social people, they are other people that come in front of you when you are starting achieving something, when you are starting to do something that is very unique, that can contribute something to the society, to a social level. Then these people come and they start feeling some kind of negativity in your mind, and you finally so much engrossed in yourself that you stop doing it, you drop the idea of doing it. So in the long run, what happens, that such people become depressed, such people become frustrated in some way, and they stop doing it. And if we really get the conclusion of Srimad Bhagavad Gita's first chapter, the whole conclusion was that you have to avoid the negativity as much as possible. Quote it, write it somewhere in the wall, and say it aloud every day to yourself, that I have to start avoiding the negativity from this moment onwards. If you don't avoid the negativity, it will definitely fill your mind with something, with such thoughts that will become an obstacle in your way to achieve success, motivity, creativity, or anything unique that you are doing. And the second thing is that you have observed it. You must have observed one situation in your life, then when you start doing something that for a long time your heart, your desires have been wanting to do, and you suddenly start doing it, the whole society stand against you. They do not want to complete it. They do not want you to become something unique from the crowd. This is the whole psychology of the crowd. The crowd wants the people should not stand against the crowd. This is the whole psychology of the crowd. And if you really want to stand against the crowd, you want to stand up, apart from the crowd, then you have to do one thing very clearly, and you have to do something unique, something really motivational, something really contributing to the society, something really that the next generation can follow you. The people who have done something very unique, like Einstein, something like George Bernard Shaw, something like Shakespeare, George Bernard Shaw, Marlowe, and other people, they have one thing in common. They have always avoided the negativity, and the negativity was the first key. The avoiding negativity was the first key success formula. So this chapter is totally devoted towards that point, which we have to understand it at the very beginning. And in the next chapter I am going to introduce the conclusion of the second chapter. Then we'll open up the next formula of success. The first formula has to be kept in mind always. Please write it on the wall, write it in your heart, write it everywhere in your whole consciousness, that I have to avoid the negativity. Whether you want to be a religious person, whether you want to be a scholar, whether you want to be a whatever, but the main concept will never be different. The concept of being unique, the concept of being special, the concept of being standing apart from the crowd. The only first formula of becoming something unique is to start avoiding the negativity. If you like the channel, please subscribe it, share it to your friends, and make it a burning video for other people. Thank you so much. Sri Hari Sharanam.